Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how I package my own art prints for sale. So I will show you two different ways. Okay. And then I'm going to get a card. This is actually a scrub, but if you know that it's nice and clean, you can still use it as package my art prints or greeting cards. Just put it this way, or I put them together like this and slip it inside there. I hope you like this video.